Have you considered adding one of the best ready-to-drink protein shakes for women to your diet? As a substitute for lunch or in replace of a snack, RTD protein shakes will serve you. They will contribute towards raising your energy levels, satisfy your hunger and cravings, help tone your body, and boost your health. We've researched the shelves and coolers to find the 12 top-rated protein shakes for women, as well as the 3 worst to avoid. And now for Freshness.com reviews of the best ready-to-drink protein shakes for women, plus 3 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Orgain Organic Grass-Fed Whey Protein Shake. If you love natural organic products and you would like to avoid added sugars, you'll probably fall in love with this nutrition shake. Its creamy texture and chocolate fudge taste promise to nourish you anytime, anywhere, and help you build muscle. Each serving contains 26 grams of organic grass-fed whey protein, 150 calories, and only 3 grams of carbs. The ingredients list looks clean and healthy, making Orgain Nutrition Shake a safe bet for vegetarians and anyone suffering from gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Coming in at number 2, Calnaturale Svelte Organic Protein Shake. Breakfast, snacks, and meal replacements look promising with this cappuccino blend. It uses the revitalizing power of coffee beans and the sweet taste of stevia extract to take the creamy texture of soy milk to the next level. It provides 20% of the daily recommended fiber intake with only 6 grams of sugar. You have to appreciate the organic, vegan, and gluten-free formula synthesized in Northern California, the affordable price, and the delicious cappuccino flavor. Add to that the convenience of the 8-pack, and you may have found a great protein shake for the entire family. Coming in at number 3, Protein 20 Protein Water. If you want something lighter and with a lower allergenic risk, but in higher quantities, you'll love this 16.9-ounce Protein 20 water. You get 15 grams of whey protein isolate, no sugar, just 1 gram of carbs, and 60 calories packed in a refreshing coconut flavor. The high BCAAs and leucine content of the whey protein isolate and the lack of gluten, lactose, and artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives are other encouraging details. The price should not be an issue either, so why not give this protein drink a chance? Looking to learn more about the best ready-to-drink protein shakes for women? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Labrada Nutrition Lean Body RTD Whey Protein Shake. Losing weight, building muscle, and staying fit seems challenging, but not with a Labrada protein shake within reach. Each serving loads you up on protein, 40 grams, and 22 minerals and vitamins, all with an irresistible taste. You won't have to worry about added sugars or allergy concerns related to gluten and lactose either, so don't hesitate to use it as a meal replacement or weight loss adjuvant. Hundreds of positive reviews and third-party testing protocols confirm this shake is a safe and delicious bet for anyone. Coming in at number 5, Vega Protein Ready-to-Drink Shake. If you're on a plant-based diet and you'd like to enrich it with a delicious snack or meal replacement to enjoy on the go, this vanilla shake could be your best option. It is vegetarian, but nourishing, delicious, and packed with plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Its caloric count may not be the lowest in its range, but the nutritional value makes it worth it. One look at the ingredients list will make you feel like taking a trip back in time, as there are no chemical names and complicated formulas, just clean and healthy plant-based extracts. Coming in at number 6, EAS Myoplex Shred Protein Shake. When you work out like crazy or simply put up with a hectic daily schedule, it's only natural to support your efforts with a protein shake. EAS Myoplex Shred could be your best choice. It offers 42 grams of protein, 100% DRV of calcium, 8 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar in just 210 calories. It will help you build muscles, feed the ones you already have, give you energy, and boost your recovery from tough workouts. Besides promising roots and fruits extract, it also contains HMB, L-glutamine, L-arginine, peak ATP, and beta-alanine. Quality comes with price, though. Coming in at number 7, Muscle Milk Protein Shake. Similar to its predecessor, this protein shake targets active consumers, promising to help them boost their workout performance and results and speed up their recovery. It provides 34 grams of protein, 4 to 5 grams of sugar, and 1 to 2 grams of fiber, vitamins A, C, and D, as well as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. All these nutrients come with 320 calories though, so keep in mind if you're trying to lose weight. The high quality of the proteins and its delicious chocolate taste make Muscle Milk Original worth at least a try. Coming in at number 8, Isopure Zero Carb Protein Ready to Drink. Every 20-ounce bottle of Isopure Alpine Punch delivers 40 grams of liquid protein, 100% whey protein isolate, and 10.2 grams of BCAA. Free of major allergens like lactose and gluten, it does not contain aspartame either. It does help you take a break from the traditional chocolate and vanilla flavors. The refreshing alpine taste brings about 160 calories, helping this drink qualify as an excellent snack, pre- and post-workout drink, and even meal replacement. You may not like the artificial sweeteners, but they make it possible to avoid sugar and carbs. Coming in at number 9, Pure Protein Shake. If you don't like carrying bottles with you and you want to make the most of your drinks on the go, this frosty chocolate protein shake should appeal to you. It delivers 35 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and valuable calcium with 170 calories. We would have preferred not to see artificial flavors, carrageenan and yellow 5 on the ingredients list, but they are safe additives and a small price to pay for the nutritional value and excellent taste of pure protein. Coming in at number 10, ISS Oh Yeah RTD. One of the best rated vanilla protein drinks on the market, ISS Oh Yeah has a deliciously creamy consistency. Its nutritional value helps it qualify as an excellent snack, meal replacement, and workout drink. Every 14-ounce bottle delivers 220 calories. It may seem like much, but you get 35 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 3 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of fiber. Plus a long list of important vitamins and minerals that can help you strengthen your health and your body. Coming in at number 11, Power Crunch Ready to Drink. Lower in price, calories, and protein than its predecessor, this protein cream delivers 20 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and 6 grams of fiber in just 150 calories. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, fueling digestion without the risk of being turned into body fat. While the amount of vitamins and minerals in its composition is impressive, we couldn't help feeling disappointed by the presence of milk, a common allergen nowadays. If milk isn't an issue for you, chances are you will love this drink, either as a snack or before and after your workouts. Coming in at number 12, Dymatize ISO 100 Clear Whey Protein Isolate RTD. If you love taste and flavor variety in your protein drinks and you want to avoid sugar and carbs, you owe it to yourself to try Dymatize ISO 100. This particular pack lets you have all 3 flavors available: raspberry, grape, and fruit punch. Each 20-ounce bottle gives you 40 grams of pure protein isolate and 10.2 grams of BCAAs. There are no hormones or gluten to worry about. The only minor weakness is the presence of some artificial flavors. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite protein drinks for women. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for Freshness.com's protein drinks for women to avoid. Avoid Gatorade Recover protein shakes. Both vanilla and chocolate Gatorade drinks taste great, the price is acceptable, and the variety pack is convenient. However, the drink's nutritional value leaves room for improvement. 1 bottle or serving contains 20 grams of protein. That would be acceptable, but it comes with over 20 grams of sugar and 45 grams of fat, which we find unacceptable in a protein drink for women. Since there are much healthier and just as tasty alternatives out there, we suggest you avoid this one. Avoid Muscle Pharm Coco Protein Drink RTD. If you are a coconut water fan, but you treasure proteins as well, this blend should be the answer you've been waiting for. Every 12-ounce bottle offers 20 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of sugar, with 130 calories. It is perfect before and after workouts or between meals. You can't help but appreciate the refreshing taste and the clean ingredients list. With stevia leaf extract as a sweetener and gluten and lactose intolerance no longer a concern, all you need to do is take advantage of the affordable price and fill up on this delicious and nourishing drink. All that said, this product has become increasingly hard to find, and it appears as though the manufacturer discontinued it. Therefore, it is one we recommend you avoid and look for a different coconut water protein drink option. And finally, to avoid Cytosport Whey Isolate Watermelon. If you prefer to keep things simple as you try to boost your workouts and build muscle, this protein shake would appeal to you. It contains only milk whey, protein isolate, phosphoric and citric acids, flavors, and colorings. We would have preferred an all-natural formula, but this one doesn't look that bad either. Every 16.9-ounce bottle offers 130 calories in the form of 32 grams of protein and just 1 gram of carbs. You'll also get a healthy dose of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Sugar and fruit juice are not present in the composition of this drink, and the allergenic risk is reduced to traces of milk. Unfortunately, this drink has become unavailable on the market, and it seems as though manufacturer has discontinued it. Therefore, it is one we recommend you avoid and look for a different watermelon whey protein drink option. And now for thefreshness.com final thoughts on buying the best protein drinks for women. As you can see, the best protein drinks for women can add significant flavor and nutritional value to your diet with the added benefit of convenience. All it takes is to find the right variety for your goals, needs, taste, and budget. Once you've given the ready-to-drink variety a try, you may find benefit in learning how to make the best protein shakes for women at home. It should be easy now that you know more about the types of protein available and their uses. Which RTD will you try next? Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite protein drinks for women. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.